Hey guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video today, we are going to be doing a very detailed tutorial on the hot water kinky. And the kinky I will recommend for this hot water is expression. It's very easy to stretch compared to darling. So we are going to put it in hot water now. Why do we put the kinky inside hot water? Is to stretch the kinky to reduce the curls or the frizziness or the stiffness. I don't know which language I'll use to communicate it to you more, but the essence is to reduce the curl, the frizziness of the kinky, so it can give the human hair look. Because this human hair kinky is not like this one. This one is so obvious when you use it that okay, you use this one. The differences are very clear. So we want to reduce it. We want to make it look like the human hair on. So let's get right into making the hair. I've dipped the kinky inside water, and I'm separating it so that you will see. You can see that the frizziness as well. The curves have reduced a lot. So what I will do now is I will start as knotless braid. And personally, I don't like the synthetic kinky look at all. I don't like it. I don't know if it is because the human hair kinky came out that I suddenly don't like it. But I don't like the folding. It's too much. And it's so obvious that you used it. So I'll start as knotless braid. So when I use darling kinky, I have to dip it on a boiling water while the fire is still on. While still on the gas, I dipped it. That was when I was able to stretch the darling kinky. So I recommend the expression kinky for this hot water method. So this is the final look. What do you have to say? Do you prefer this to the normal one or the normal one to this? Personally, I prefer this because I don't like that look. I prefer this look, and we purposely made this hair not the same length because I love when they are not the same length. Thank you guys for watching. At this point, I will say you should like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up. Like I said, like my video, share it to loved ones, and thank you so much for watching to this point. See you guys in my next video.